here. I don't like it. Nice to see us. Guess we didn't really handle the White Sox today, but I'm glad to see them not doing so well to start out the season. All that money they went and spent. They can't even win a game. Here we go. Got Platinum 100. This is from last night's eBay. Good luck, everyone. Been a while since I've opened any platinum. Story, Buckle, the Yelich top prospects. Gregorius and Montgomery. Barrios, Hayward. Got a Kershaw reprint rookie. Is not numbered. Too bad that's not a real auto. Odorizzi blue. In Hamilton. Puig, Goldschmidt, Robles. What is Diamond in the Rough? Piazza and Stevenson. What's going on, Eric? How we doing tonight? DeShields, Starling. Got a Braun die cut. Ryu and Sanchez. Oh, no. They didn't want to sell it. Davidson, Odorizzi. The Marrero green, 298 of 399. For the Red Sox, Starburst 8771. Skaggs and Hulton. What book is it? Sano, Fernandez. Got a Butler, gold. Caccini and Gallo. Oh, hanging in there. It's Friday night. How can anyone be bad right now? Unless you got to work in the morning, I guess. Gaussman, Stanton, the Zimmer, Refractor. Gonzalez and Elmora. Are you kidding me? Huh. Sorry. That highlight caught my eye. Dude jumped over the catcher to touch the home plate. Scored the run. Tulo and Nomar, huh? Auto or just a relic? Sardinas, Beltre, gold. Utley, Castellanos, and Romero. Still looking for our first hit. Got Waka, Schaefer, Posey, Baez, top prospects. In Singleton. Oh, that's no good. Excuse me. I see a redemption. Betancourt, Sandoval. Auto Prospect Base, Jeff Ames. I have no clue who he plays for. We'll have to look that one up. Got Dickey and Myers. Looks like he was last drafted by the Rays. Jeff Ames is going to the Rays. Patrick J.W. Oh, still, that's no good. So the Jeff Ames redemption is going to the Tampa Bay Rays. Still got 2 hits. Got Austin and a McCutcheon, red. Wright, Paxton, and Polanco. Wheeler, Gonzalez, Barnes, refractor, Gonzalez, die cut, and Dahl, Gibson, Molina. Here's a hit, Matt McGill. Gold on-card auto, 47 of 50. That is going to 4-tier. Nice hit. Parker and Rendon. Goodwin, Bundy, Bogarts, refractor. Gonzalez, gold, Roach. Russell, we got a printing plate. Steven Romero, a printing plate. 1 of 1 for the Mariners. Reggie, GIE. Picking up the printing plate. Nice one. 2 redemptions. Got another redemption. Trevor Bauer. Oh. Indians, that's what I thought. So the Trevor Bauer is going to the Indians. Eric, H-I-L. Auto Relic Refractor. Here you go, Eric. Yeah, those museums are interesting. There's some nice patches in those higher numbered cards. Got Kershaw, Hawkins, and Crone. That's kind of crappy. 2 redemptions in 1 box. Haney, Miller, red refractor, 2 of 25. Another one for the Mariners. It's Reggie, G-I-E. Hamilton, top prospects. Gaddis, and Sanchez. Paulino, Martinez, Perez, Gold, Darvish, and Zimmer. Meyer, Brinson, Bautista, and a Zunino, top prospects. And Correa. Springer, and a Story, X-Fractor. Hayward, Blue. Trout, and Scope. Solar, Young, the Castellanos, Refractor, Upton, and Ozuna. So that's going to do it for Platinum 100. Check on the other ones real quick. Gypsy Queen number 2 is down to 9 teams. Stadium Club is at 8. Select is at 13. Stadium Club and Select are